Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Lexus RX 350 navigation system. First, familiarize yourself with the main map screen, which shows your current location. You can interact with the system using either the responsive touchscreen or the convenient remote touchpad. Look for the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. It provides quick access to essential navigation functions. This dual control method offers flexibility for every driver. Entering your destination is straightforward. You can type in an address, search for a point of interest, or use the advanced voice command system for hands-free input. For places you visit often, save them as favorites to access them with just 1 or 2 taps. The system also allows you to plan routes with multiple stops, optimizing your journey for maximum efficiency. Personalize your navigation experience through various settings. Customize your map display by choosing between 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, or a north-up orientation. You can also adjust the voice guidance volume to your preference and select route optimization options like shortest or fastest routes. Crucially, enable real-time traffic updates to receive alerts and avoid unexpected congestion, saving you valuable time on the road. Keeping your navigation system up to date is vital for optimal performance. Regularly update your maps to ensure you have the most accurate road and point of interest information. These updates often include software enhancements and bug fixes. For continuous, automatic updates, consider subscribing to Lexus Inform Dynamic Navigation, which provides cloud-based map and routing information, ensuring your system always has the latest data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.